Good morning, people. So, today's game plan. What are we doing today? If you can't tell, it is very powdery today. So, we are going to have a blast, just like little children. I feel weird and awkward talking to the camera like this. Cool, there's a car coming. This is awkward. Okay. Hi. Awkward as Alright, this right here, boys and girls, this is one of my favorite runs of all time. Whew! And it is powdery as today. Oh my god. Powdery as can be. Whew! Oh. And if your legs are sore, let me tell you, this is not the one to use. This run's called Soul Hole. And it'll wear you out real fast. It's a little humbling. Anyway, I hope this dialogue is you'll be able to make this out well. Woo-hoo. Tossing snow. Woo-hoo. This is the first run of the day, and my legs are already cooked because you're just bouncing and dodging and ducking and weaving. All right, caught up to some people. How we doing today, boys? Hell yeah. Whew. Woo-hoo-hoo. And then through here you gotta stay on the tracks, otherwise you're gonna slide out. Or sorry, get stuck in the snow. Soul Hole. What a run. Little kicker right here. Woo! Oh yeah. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is one of my top runs here out of Big Sky. Big Sky, Montana. Man, tree runs out here are the best, especially on powder days, because you can kind of just explore and hit up powder. Woo-hoo. Powder slowed me down a little bit actually, but it's 10 times more fun. Excuse me. 10 times more fun than it not being powder. Give my legs a break for a second. Sheesh. All right, then back into it. Whoa, that was ice right there. That part was carved out. Oh yeah, clear that little mogul section. All right, right here's the run for your money. I don't know if I can make it today because it's so powdery. It's a pump track. Through the woods, and man, this is a blast. Except my legs are so shot. Oh, whew. Kicked me up way higher than expected. Oh man, my legs are feeling it real bad. Keep pushing through, push through, pump it, gain some speed. Whew. And then once you get up pretty much past this little section, you're pretty much home free. And my legs are so shot. You can hear it in my voice. Woo-hoo. Oh yeah, fresh powder.
Today was so nice that I filmed like a bunch of runs today, and I don't want you guys to have to watch an hour-long video. So, with that being said, I decided to show 4 runs here in a moment at a time, and it reminded me of a video game, so I thought it was pretty cool. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Have a good one.
Let's do it. This, and I was right, it is a black, it's not a double black. But blacks out here in Big Sky are what can sometimes be no joke. That's what I love about this area, right? Every time you come out here, it's a different run. I mean, truly. You never hit the same spot. Look at this snow, man. It's some of the best powder I've ever skied, I think. Oh, I gotta take a break. Oh yeah. Whew. Become one with the mountain. Woo-hoo. Oh, my legs need a break. Oh, that looks fun up through there. But it also looks fun in there. Haven't been in here yet. Woohoo! Yeah. Woohoo! Woo! That got it. This is the spot to jump off the lift right here.
right through here at the end. It's super ugly. Take your time. Whew. Oh yeah, had to. Caught up to some people.
What's there to hold in the light of this moon? My mind keeps searching, but my heart decides.
Yes, let's go.
Alright, there you go.
Oh my god, that would have sucked. Oh man.